Welcome to the video. This is Alex with removemymugshot.org. We're going to talk today about how to get a mugshot off the internet. So the first thing to do when you've discovered you've got a mugshot is to actually figure out how many of them there are out there that are being published. So the first thing you want to do is search for all your published arrest records and kind of get them together either in a spreadsheet or a Word doc or something like that. We've actually linked to a template that we use. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You can use it to catalog all the images that you find, so that way you kind of know what you're initially dealing with. We also have a tool that's in beta that you can use to kind of do a more specific search, but I would kind of recommend using Google for right now until we get all the kinks worked out of the tool. If you're watching this video at a later date, there's a chance that tool might be fixed already. Step two, once you have all of the URLs of the images that are published, you want to look for contact information on each of those websites. So I would go to the website, check the footer for a contact link, or either in the main menu there might be a contact link, or if you're actually on the page with the image, there might be something that you can click on that says remove this record or opt out or something along those lines. You want to look for any kind of links like that. So that way you can try to contact the website and see if they'll take the image down. Sometimes they'll take the image down right away. Sometimes they might want some documentation. Again, that's up to you if you want to send them that documentation and so forth. But a lot of sites do have some kind of way of at least attempting to get that image taken down or contacting them about getting that image taken down. If you have no response from the website, the next step would be to contact Google. Also, if you do get a mugshot taken down, you're successful in having that image removed, you will want to have it de-indexed, so that way Google knows that that image is no longer published on the website and it will not display it in a search for your name. So we link to that as well, the Google Webmaster Tools, where you can remove that image. Secondly, if you're not able to get that image taken down from that particular site or multiple sites, you can contact Google, and they have a form that says remove content about me on sites with exploitative removal practices. So if somebody is requesting money or something to get an image taken down, let Google know. Usually they will get that content out of their index. If it's on Facebook, report the image. They have their own algorithms and automated monitoring systems, so you can flag that image if you have friends and colleagues that are on Facebook and you don't mind them knowing about the mugshot, ask them to flag it as well. Second, upload your own images, make sure they're labeled for your name, make sure that they're public, and then share and promote those images. So that way they'll at least float up to the top of Facebook and outrank any kind of mugshot images. And the fifth step would be to just build up your web presence. So that way Google, is really just ranking a mugshot because there's no other information about you that Google thinks is more relevant. So building up your web presence and adding content about yourself on the internet is a good way to suppress the image and prevent it from appearing on a platform where people can see it. You can put your name on sites that Google will trust more than a mugshot website. Website like Reddit or Amazon.com or Medium or Best Buy or any kind of web platform. There are a lot of authoritative websites that Google will trust more than a mugshot website. And we have a whole list of them. So if you're looking for some sites to get started, we actually have a whole list and a guide that will walk you through this process. Lastly, if it's something that you just kind of don't want to deal with, you can always hire a reputation management company. So if it's something you just want to outsource, we do custom solutions for people depending on what kind of information they have. If it's just a mugshot, or if it's news stories, or if it's like some kind of gossip blog such as the Chive or the Dirty, things like that. So if it's something you want to outsource, hire a reputation management company and let them take care of it for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name is Alex, and my email address is admin@removemymugshot.org. Thank you.